I've got the Redmi Note 15 Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to connect a USB flash drive. Now, if you have a Type-C USB flash drive, that's very simple. All you have to do is simply plug it into the Type-C port of your Redmi Note 15. So the Type-C port is at the bottom. All you have to do is push it into that hole, like that, right? Now, once you plug it in, it should get detected. There you go. And then you can tap on that and then open up using the file manager and see the files and folders inside that. So if it's the first time, you're gonna have to give access. So I'm gonna just select allow all, and you can see my SD card. Now, in case you do not get that pop-up, then you should simply go to your file manager, this application, or whichever file manager you use, and then you can now navigate. Just select browse, then select USB device, and that's how you can see the files and folders inside your USB flash drive. All right. Now, if you have one of those older USB flash drives that have a type A connector, then you do need an OTG adapter like this one. Okay, so this is a type C connector and a port for your type A USB flash drive. So I'll just plug that in and then plug the USB flash drive into that hole or into that port. And that also allows you to connect a USB flash drive. Again, it's the same process. You can just tap on it and you can see the files and folders inside that USB flash drive. Thanks for watching. Now, if you're interested in this particular USB flash drive, I'm fortunate enough to have one that is both type A on one side and type C on the other side, and I can connect it anywhere. It's very versatile. If you're interested in this, I'll leave a link down in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. It's very versatile, and it's also 256 gigs of USB thumb drive storage. Okay, and it's very small. You can see what size it is. Very convenient. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.